leave that there. I need you to stand over here and direct Olivia and Jordan. Yeah. Still gotta come back some more.
What's the problem?
I'm just waiting. I was just looking. Go. Lord be with us, huh?
I've been like that since I was a kid. I've always put my feet wherever I want to.
Now it's this. I think we're in the room. It's massive.
This is bending inward.
Why is the massive bending so much? And are we always concerned about weight? I was really wanting our stay wires all the way up to the top. Or maybe having a middle, having middle spreader and then. Jordan, you gotta pull harder. Olivia, you gotta pull less. There you go, good somewhere. Got it. What's up? Amber, you leave that there. I need you to stand over here and direct Olivia and Jordan into keeping the mast upright.
Well, it's not supported on the bottom.
Oh, the wind.
Yeah, the wind is going to
wait. No, I'm gonna wait.
Yeah, it looks like it's tipping forward.
It's tipping forward a little bit, but that's okay. That's what we want. Okay, we're gonna go up another 4 inches. Ready? Go. Alright, we're good. Let's reevaluate.
Jordan, a little bit. Just a little though.
Go. You want to stop right before or do you want to go? Alright, here we go. Okay, we're up.
Cause I was made to be free.
Good.
You okay with that? Okay. Alright. Now we'll
Trying to lay it down.
Is that where the halyard, this part comes in?
No, not yet. Ready?
Breathing forward.
Okay. Have to loosen the bridle, huh?
I feel like,
Y'all don't overpull, okay?
don't you feel like we need to be in the back? Like if
I know y'all are fine right now. As long as we can hold the. I would like you. I can do all that. I'd like you to hold the mast. You're in a better position to hold the mast than I am. There's gonna be a point where you're gonna have that.
Yeah. You're gonna have a lot of leverage.
I have.
I did get it on video trying to get
that down here.
I got my phone.
Okay.
I need a long.
I think
Probably.
hold it. What we need to do is I need to lower the block and tackle down.
Call me the joker, call me the fool. When she calls, I always see her lose.
Is it hot though?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
What's going on?
It's
That.
Here.
that's not gonna do I need to grab?
Don't you know that love is you is a train wreck waiting to happen?
Alright, we're pretty tight up.
Got no past, all attributes. Don't know
there, right there. Come down.
There's a train wreck waiting to happen. Don't you know that loving you is a train wreck waiting to happen? Don't you know, babe, loving you.
Break time.
Woo, got it down and nobody got hurt.
Now, that was a $2,000 savings.
Oh, they do that? Do they do the vacuum?
Yeah.
Huh? Do they do the vacuum?
What a train.
Do you need to go up there too?
Yeah.
All right, take a break,
Good,
grab some
good.
shade, get some water.
Wasp up at the end of this thing.
Grandma.
Here, you answer.
Yeah, we're
I
leaning
need some
too much.
tension on the
I'm coming,
forward.
I'm coming.
Need tension on the forward.
Hey, but
I'm coming.
I need a pull.
No, you're fine. Hey, Amber, pull a little. Okay, Olivia, let go. No, let go a little.
It's leaning really that way. Because it's supposed
We're
to.
trying to take it down, babe.
Think about it.
Well, before.
Gordon, you shouldn't stand underneath it, buddy.
Well, I had.
What am I doing?
Oh, everybody's doing good.
Amber, if it goes
Amber,
that way,
ease a
that's when
little.
you need to tension it a little.
Amber, easy.
I'm easing.
Amber, you need to move in case that line snatches tight. You know, the goal is to get this down.
Hey, but you only have to hold one hook. That one in the right hand. Well, I know, but before.
That base is fixing to want to slide there.
I know. You Jordan.
That's it. Yeah, we'll let you do there.
Maybe you can let go faster. It's not going to go anywhere as long as you hold tension, Tom. Yep. Unless the whole...
Come on down.
Okay.
Okay, hook's loose.
Okay. All right. No, that's not... There we go. Okay.
Too fast.
I can stop at any point. Lovely. Good job.
What am I
Where are
doing?
you putting it?
These down.
Push Jordan a little. Push, push, push. Push, push. Every inch is one we don't have to carry it.
I got it.
All right, Olivia, I'm going to set it down on that horse.
But when y'all start to pick it up, I'm going to move this to go into my...
Forward!
March!
It is hot.
All right, go ahead and swing in.
I can't stand the heat no more.
Lovely. Lovely. Ain't a permanent stay. It'll probably go over there where that other one is.
Now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby.
Once you start sailing as fast as
Well, either way, I've got to re-rig it.
sail might come back.
All right, tell me about your sailing experience that you just had.
It was pretty fun. Over there we went halfway underwater and
With the guard.
I was soaking wet. So I wanted to go change. And I bet Jordan's freaking out right now.
What about when you almost went swimming?
That was not a good experience for me.
You were laughing though.
Over here the boat almost flipped and I almost face planted into the boat.
But Tom grabbed you, huh?
No, he didn't.
No, I saw him reach for something.
Yeah,
Oh,
I smoked the back of my head on the,
the boom?
yeah. Jordan saw that happen. He said,
Yeah, we all heard it too.
remember.
They tipped also.
Dude, is that your coffee cup?
He's on a couple times. Put it right up to the iron right here.
There you go.
Look into my eyes, you can use them as a mirror. You're my ticket to paradise.